Problem 25A is asking us to do a couple of balance sheets. And the first one, they're just basically saying copy the information from the book, and they give us the numbers. The cash was $64,300. The accounts receivable was $26,240. The office supplies was $3,160. The trucks were $148,000, and the office equipment was $44,000. You add those together, and you come up with total assets of $285,700. Then it says do the same thing with the liabilities. And the liabilities, we come up with $3,500 from accounts payable. They give us that. And we have to come up with the total equity. Well, the total equity is going to be $285,700 minus $3,500, because you remember we had a whole bunch of problems where we did this, where we did assets equals liability plus equity, and then we switched that up to make that assets minus liabilities equal equity, and it's asking you to do that. So when you do that, you come up with the total equity of $282,200. And if you add these together, you will come up with $285,700. So that's the first year. Then it asks us to do the second year. We're going to need this number to carry forward. And now we have to come and figure out a little bit, but not much. They tell us that our cash, and I'm going to try to stay on the line this time, is $15,640. And accounts receivable is $19,100. Office supplies is $1,960. Looks like we bought a truck. Our trucks are up to $157,000. Our office equipment is still $44,000. We bought a building this year. That's $80,000. And we bought some land. Comes in handy if you buy a building. Got to put it somewhere. $60,000. So when we add these up, our total assets come to $377,700. They give us our accounts payable of $33,500 and our notes payable of $40,000. So our total liabilities are $73,500, and it asks us to compute the equity. And again, the equity is simply the difference, assets minus liabilities is equity. And when we do that subtraction, we come up with our equity of $304,200. So that's 25A, Part 1.